What if the real valedictorians are not the ones standing on the stage, but are quietly seated among you right now? If I could remove this medal from my neck and give it to someone else, I would. I would hand it to my classmate who worked online jobs and part-time shifts between classes. Some with cracked phones, borrowed laptops, selling food, art, anything just to make ends meet. To the ones who caught jeeps at dawn, who walked under the heat or in the rain, who paid their own tuition because no one else could. To those who showed up with tired eyes, but hearts who refused to greet. To the one who studied through tears, who cried in silence, but still made it to class with a smile. They never complained, and they never